Hi, so thank you for joining. So in this session we will be talking about the questions that were asked in the CBSE Math Board exam 2019. So in this session I'll be only talking about the 1 marks questions which are in section A. So in 2019 we had 6 questions of 1 marks, so all of those 6 questions I'll be explaining here. So the first question is, if HCF 336, 54 equal to 6, then find the LCM. So to solve this one, basically there are 2 methods that we can do it. The first one is that you all may be aware of, is the factorization method. So by the prime factorization, if you do the prime factor of 336 and 54, because both the numbers are the same here, so to find the LCM, the common factor into the non-common factors you will have to multiply, but that may be a little complicated. I mean, it may take a little more time because it's just a 1 marks question. So the other way is, we know that there is a simple formula that says LCM into HCF, if the numbers are same, equal to A into B. A and B here are those 2 numbers. Okay, so here A and B are, so this is A and this is B, right? So you have given HCF and we have to find out LCM. So we just put the value here. So HCF is 6 equal to A into B, that is 336 into 54. Okay, then you just have to evaluate it. So the LCM will be 336 into 54 by 6. Here is multiplication, it will become the division by pushing it to the right side of the equal to, and you just have to solve it. 336 into 9 will be 3024. So this will be your answer, right? Moving to the second question. The second question is, find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. So this is from the quadratic equation. You have to find the nature of the root of this equation, this quadratic equation. So if a quadratic equation which is in form of ax square plus bx plus c, then to find the nature, we know that d equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is one formula to find out the nature of any of the given quadratic equation. So if the d is less than 0, that means the quadratic equation is not having any real root. Okay, so in this case, if you see this equation here, so this one will be the a, b and c. So just put the value here. So d equal to b square, that is minus 4 square minus 4ac 2 into 3. This one will become 16 minus 24 equal to minus 8, which is clearly less than 0. So that means here d is less than 0. So you can say that the quadratic equation (2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0) is not having any real root. Okay, so this is the second question. Moving to the third one. Okay, the third one says, find the common difference of the arithmetic progression. So this is related to AP. This is a very simple question here. So in arithmetic progression, this is a series. So like this will be the term 1, right, term 2 and term 3, or you can say A, B or C term and so on, right? So as per arithmetic progression, the difference between second term and the first term will be the same as the difference between third term and the second term. So that means the difference between all the terms in arithmetic progression will always be same. So we just have to find the common difference. So in this case, the common difference will be, to find it out, right? Common difference d will be second term minus first term. Okay, you'll get the same answer even if you do third term minus second term. So I'm just taking it the second term minus the first term. So second term is 3 minus a by 3a minus 1 by a. So it's a simple solution over here for the rational number. So if you see the 3a, this one will become 3 minus a minus, divide it, you will get it here 3, right? So 3 to 3 will be cancelled, plus minus, here you will get minus a by 3a, right? A to a will be cancelled. So that means the common difference will be d equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, that will be your answer. Moving to the fourth question. This is from trigonometry. So you have to, in this we have two options, so you have to solve one of them. Anyway, I will solve you both of these questions for you. So the first one is, you have to evaluate sine square 60 degree plus 2 tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. So you know that by the trigonometric formula, sine 60 degree is under root 3 by 2, 45 is 1, and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So you just have to plus those values. So it will be under root 3 by 2 the square plus 2 into 1 tan 45 degree 1 into under root 3 by 2 square. Okay, just have to solve it. It will become 3 by 4 plus 2 minus 3 by 4. Plus and minus will be cancelled. 2 will be your answer. Okay, now moving to the second part of this. So this is the OR questions. I mean, either you have to solve one of them. So the first one we solved. The second one is, if sine A equal to 3 by 4, so you have to find sec A. Okay, so you know the simple the trigonometric equations, how you have to find out if there is a right angle triangle. In that case, what will be the value of sine, cos, tan, sec, cot, cos x, right? So to make it simple, I mean, that's how I remember. P A by H B. This will be B actually. B base and P B P by HSB. So that will be like, the sine will be 3 by 4 equal to, so this will be P by H, right? So that means P equal to 3 and H equal to 4. And similarly the sec A will be, so this is how I remember this: sine, cos, tan, and then for the cot, sec, cos x. So you just have to reverse it. So the sine will be P by H, cos B by H, tan P by B, then cot will be B by P, and sec will be H by B, right? So with the Pythagoras theorem, you can find it out here. P and H are given and the B is the missing. So B square will be H square minus P square, right? So the H over here is 4, right? 4 square minus 3 square. Okay, so this one will be B square equal to 16 minus 9. B will be under root 7. So hence sec A will be H by B, that is H you have already given, that is 4, and B is under root 7. So this will be your answer. So this is the second part of this question. I mean, it's not a second part actually, but it's the OR part. You have to solve one of them. Okay, the fifth question is, you have to find out one of the point which is lying between these 2 points. So to show it to you in the easy way, let's say it says write a coordinate of a point P on x-axis which is equidistant. So that means it will be an equation. If this is A and this is B, then this point P is equidistant from A and the B. So that means, let's say if this is 1, so this will also be 1. Here A is given minus 2 comma 0 and B is given 6 comma 0. Let's say P is x comma y. Okay, and this distance is m, right? Or n. Usually we denote it with m and n. So in this case, m and n both are equal anyway. So there is a simple formula to find out the point which lying on the same collinear or the same line of the 2 points. So it is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. So this is to find x, and to y, find the y point. In this will be m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Okay, but in this case we just have to find x, so it will be, just have to put the values x, mx2, m is 1, x2 is 6, right, plus nx1, 1 into minus 2 by 1 plus 1, right? This will be 6 minus 2 by 2, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Okay, so the x will be 2. Okay, and this is what you have to find out. Coming to the last question of the section A of 2019 board maths paper. So in this figure ABC, this is an isosceles triangle and C is the right angle triangle at C with AC equal to 4 centimeters. So this is given you 4 centimeter. Then find the length of AB. This one you have to find out. Okay, so because it is an isosceles triangle, so as per isosceles triangle, AB and BC both will be equal. So this will also be 4, right? So as per Pythagoras Theorem, so theorem in Hindi is Parme, so I just call that Hindi name. Sometimes we call it Pythagoras Parme or Pythagoras Theorem in English. So what will happen is, because this will be the H in this case, right? This is B and this one will be the H. Okay, so you just have to this one will be P, sorry, this will be the P, that is perpendicular and the base and the hypotenuse. So as per this, you know this Pythagoras theorem, H square equal to P square plus B square. Okay, we have to find H here, so it's pretty simple. 4 square plus 4 square, H square equal to 16 plus 16, then H will be under root 32. Okay, so this one will be 4 into 4 into 2 equal to 4 under root 2. Okay, so the H will be 4 root 2. That will be your answer. That means AB equal to 4 root 2. And this will be your final answer. Okay, so these are all the 6 questions that has been asked into the section A of 2019 board paper. So these are the formulas that I used for solving all of these 6 questions. So this is for the first one, right? The second one, third one. Okay, the fourth, the arithmetic progression, and these are and the fifth is not formula basically, but you need to remember the values of the sine, tan and the cos and sec, how to find it out. And this is the sixth one that's related to finding the point which lie on the same line in a collinear. Okay, thank you so much for watching.